Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up in your server. First, let's go to the website Discord. As you can see, there is only one member. That's why the soundboard option will be shown to you. Now from the left side of the screen, click on your name and then press on your server options. From there, press on soundboard. You can see that this soundboard option will only be shown to you if you have 50 or less than 50 members in your Discord menu. As you can see, it is showing up in the menu. Now the soundboard option will only show up if you have 50 or less than 50 members in your Discord. So let's try another method. Right click on your start button. From here press on run. Now type in %app data %. This will open another dialog box. From here choose Discord and right click on it. Now you can press delete from the menu. Go back to your desktop and press run and press on run. This time write %local app data %. Now from the list right click on Discord. Now press on delete. Now open Google and search for download Discord. Press on the first option of Discord. From their website, download Discord. And that's it. That will solve your problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.